Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to receive AirDrop requests on your iPhone when you're unable to receive them. To get started, open up your iPhone and click on the Settings application. Now from the Settings application, scroll down to the General menu item and click on it. You'll now be taken to the General menu. Now click on the AirDrop menu item. Now on this screen, you'll see that we have three options: Receiving Off, Contacts Only, and Everyone. You'll notice that my AirDrop is set to Receiving Off. Now to start receiving AirDrop requests, select the Everyone option. You'll now be able to receive AirDrop requests from anyone, and it's as easy as that. Fixing your AirDrop settings to receive requests is a simple task to perform. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.